Welcome to the class on engineering physics. We have been discussing the module 2. So really it was a lengthy module for us. Okay. So we have discussed a lot of things in the earlier class. Okay. So in the last class, we have discussed what is twisting of a couple, or it's called as a torsion of a cylinder, or twisting of a cylinder. Both mean the same. Twisting or torsion of a cylinder. This is what we have discussed. Torsion and twisting mean the same. Twisting of a wire or twisting of a cylinder, or torsion of a wire or a torsion of a cylinder. Okay, twisting. So twisting means you have to apply a couple like this. This is the force you have applied, Fa. This is the force. So if you apply the force Fa in the form of a couple, the wire get twisted. The wire is in the form of a cylinder, as I told you. So we have evaluated what is the amount of force in terms of couple that I have calculated. Okay. So here again I am telling you, here Fa is the applied force. Okay, this is the couple Fa. This Fa and this Fa, they will form a couple and rotate the cylinder. There is a restoring force which is exactly opposite to the applied force, applied couple, that is called as a restoring couple. And we have shown that the applied couple or the twisting couple, both mean the same. Applied couple or the twisting couple is equal to the restoring couple, that we have to evaluate it. And in the last class, we have evaluated the twisting couple of a wire or a cylinder. Now look at the cylinder. This is the wire. Wire is in the form of a cylinder, or cylinder I have taken. Okay, so a wire, and I have assumed that it is made up of large number of concentric cylinders. I think I have told you the concept of a box in a box, cylindrical box in a kitchen. Okay, so when you twist it, so I have applied the force. Look at the force. This is the force. This is the force I have applied to this cylinder, or to this cylinder. This is the force. So it gets twisted. So this is the force, and this force, they will form a couple. So all the layers in the cylinder also get twisted. So I have taken a cylinder whose radius is r. Initially, I have taken the cylinder whose radius is r. Whose radius is r. And it is made up of large number of concentric cylinders which are placed one above the one inside the other. I have taken one cylinder whose radius is x. Whose radius is how much? X. Whose radius is x. Okay. So this is the radius I have taken. I have brought it outside like this. Okay. So I have brought it outside. Got it. So I have applied the force for this. So this is the force in the form of a couple. Okay. So it get twisted. So what is the twisting angle? Now look here. This is the twisting angle. I will show whatever is the twisting angle here. It is a lot of stuff here. Okay, so there is a twisting angle. Where is the twisting angle? This is the twisting angle, theta. You can see here, this is the twisting angle. Okay, where is this theta? Now look here, I will zoom it. Okay, you can look here. This is the theta. So this is x and this is the theta. You can see here this theta. Here you can see here this is nothing but the theta. You can look here, x I have marked here. There is a angle between B O dash and B dash. So this angle is B. This angle you have. Which angle it is? B O dash B dash. This is nothing but theta. This is called as the twisting angle. I heard in last class twisting angle. Twisting angle. New east force hakidra. If you apply the force or a couple in this form, the wire get twisted with this angle theta. Okay. But okay, just a minute. Student, just a minute. For a couple of minutes. Okay, just.
Sir,
ಅದೇ ಒಂದ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ದಾಗಿರಿ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಾರ ಒಂದ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ನಿಮ್ ಸರ್ ಬಂದಾರ
yes.
ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಸರ್ ಬಂದಾರ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು okay, so this is just a minute. Now are you able to hear me? Okay, got it.
Yes,
Now
sir.
so there was one guest, Mr. Pradeep sir was here. So this is theta. This angle is called as twisting angle. Okay, so this much is the twist when you apply the force. Okay, so I will zoom it out. Okay, and I have evaluated the force. This much is the force you required. You have to have a twisting of this much of twist. You require this much of force. Okay, or I should not call it as a force. I should call it as a couple, applied couple, or the couple for twisting. So this is the couple for twisting. How you evaluate force into perpendicular distance, and we have done the calculation in this. So this is the value. This is called as twisting couple. Look here, it's called as a twisting couple or the torque, or it's also called as torque. Keep in mind. Okay, so based on this we will do some problem before I go to that problem next part. So this is a simple one term called as the twisting couple per unit twist, or couple per unit twist. It's also called just as couple per unit twist. We also call it as a couple per unit twist. Ashta saku andre artha agutte nimage. Obviously it is twisting antanda. Okay, it is obviously twisting, therefore you call it as couple per unit twist. So whatever the couple you have from equation 8, just divide by the twisting angle theta, you get the couple per unit twist as C as equal to this. Okay, so before we go to this numericals, there is one more part that is called as a torsion pendulum. Okay, go for the next one. Small discussion is there on this part and we'll finish it off. Okay, torsional pendulum. Okay, just you should know it. Okay, just a minute. I think video is off. Okay, fine. So this is the torsional pendulum. So this is based on torsion oscillations, based on the concept of torsion or twisting of cylinder. This is a pendulum. It clearly says that it is a pendulum. Pendulum means you have already seen simple pendulum, which is executing simple harmonic motion. But this pendulum is different. So I have a wire. Let us assume that I have a wire in the form of a cylinder. Okay, so this is a wire which is fixed at one end. So this is the, okay, so this is the wire I have. So this wire is actually fixed like this. And to this I have taken one mass and I have hanged it like this. This is the mass I have hanged. It may be a regular mass, it may be an irregular mass, anything like this. Okay. Okay, this is the mass that I have hanged. Yeah. Okay. Now what I will do is I will twist the wire. I will twist the wire. Twisting means giving the force. So I will twist it like this. This is the force that I have applied. So due to the force, there is a couple. So this is called as a twisting couple. So I have twisted the wire. Twisted, or I would call it as the twisted, or I have given a force, twisted the, or I have done the torsion of a wire. If I do the twisting of a wire, or the wire is twisted like this, what happens? As I told you, it is going to twist through an angle theta. It is going to twist through an angle theta. It is called as twisting angle. Twisting angle. Now, obviously, as I told you in the last class, if I am applying the force Fa, this is called as the applied force Fa. Okay. So this is the axis of the wire. So I have to draw the axis also. So just for my reference, I am drawing it like this. This is the axis of the wire. Okay, so this is the axis of the wire, just for my reference. With respect to this axis, I have applied the force. So obviously what happens, there is one restoring force coming into the picture. Why? Because the wire is exhibiting the elasticity. Why? Because the wire is exhibiting elasticity. Exhibiting elasticity. So by applying a force, you are deforming the wire actually. You are getting the point. You are actually deforming the wire. ಅದರದ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, shape change ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ನೀವು force apply ಮಾಡದಿ twist ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದರದ wire change, shape change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Shape change ಆತಂದ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ shearing effect ಬರ್ತದೆ. You are having a shearing effect. That is shearing stress and strain will be there. Therefore, there is shearing effect that is taking place. In last class na detail ಕಲ್ತಿರಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅಂತ last class ನೋಡಿ. ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗ ಈ ವೈರ್ದೊಳಗ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಲಾಸ್ಟಿಸಿಟಿ, ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಶಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಎ ರಿಸ್ಟೋರಿಂಗ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ comes into picture. Restoring force, okay, come into play. Come into play means it is generated. In simple words, a restoring force is generated, which is exactly opposite to the applied force. So this is exactly opposite to this applied force. This is the restoring force. So the restoring force will be in this direction. Exactly opposite, Fr. Okay. So you're getting the point. Now this restoring force and this restoring force, they will form a couple. That couple is called as the restoring couple. Therefore the couple is called as the restoring couple. Okay, so this couple is called as the applied couple. Fa, the force due to the couple that is due to the applied force is called as the applied couple, and the couple that is due to the restoring effect of the wire is called as the restoring couple. Why? Because the nature of the wire itself is such that it tries to go back to its original position. So when you even twist ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ wire, it is having a restoring couple which is exactly acting in the opposite direction. It is acting in the opposite direction. Okay, so you have applied the force in this direction. Let us assume it. So it is in the clockwise direction. Sorry, it is in the anti-clockwise direction. You ಹಾಕಿರುವಂತ force ಹೆಂಗದ couple the anti-clockwise ಅದ. ಆದ್ರ ಆ wire ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is going to generate a restoring couple which is exactly in the opposite direction, ಅಂದ್ರೆ clockwise direction. So this is in the clockwise direction. So therefore this is due to the elastic property of the material. So therefore there is a effect of oscillation that is generated. Therefore the oscillations are generated in the wire. Therefore the oscillations are generated. That means here this mass will make to and fro motion like this. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಮಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದು ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರೋ ಮುಂದೆ ರಿಸ್ಟೋರಿಂಗ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. therefore the mass keeps on oscillating in a to and fro motion, in circular form. Okay, in circular motion. Therefore this is called as a torsional pendulum. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we call it as a torsional pendulum. torsional pendulum ಗುರ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ torsional pendulum ಅಂತೇವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ because of the twisting effect. So how you define the this torsional pendulum? Keep in mind here the oscillations are to and fro with respect to the axis of the wire. ಈ wire the axis ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, so the oscillations, keep in mind the oscillations are with respect to the, okay, the oscillations here, oscillations are with respect to the axis of the wire, okay. So therefore it's a special type of pendulum. So how we define the torsional pendulum? torsional pendulum. Hang explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಂಗೆ. How you do it? So torsional pendulum is a setup. It is a setup. That means it is an arrangement, okay, in which a rigid body, is suspended, by a wire. Now look here, this is the rigid body, you can see here, this is nothing but the rigid body, okay, that is connected to the wire. Got it? So this rigid body can be of any shape. I have taken a shape of a regular shape, but it can be an irregular shape also, okay. Is a setup in which a rigid body is suspended to a wire, and the body suspended by a wire, clamped to a support. Clamped to a support, okay, and the body executes to and fro turning motions, to and fro turning motions, with the wire as its axis, okay. Such a setup is called as a torsional pendulum. Such a setup is called torsional pendulum, okay, twisting pendulum, okay. And oscillations are called, and keep in mind, and what are the oscillations? The oscillations are called, it's called as the torsion oscillations. Torsional oscillations. Okay. Now we can calculate the time period, that is period of oscillation. Period means time for one oscillation. In this case, it is given by t is equal to 2 pi into root of I by C. This is the equation to evaluate the time period of torsion oscillations. What is this I? Here, this is obviously time. No, it will be in terms of seconds. Okay. I is the moment of inertia. It is called as the moment of inertia. It's called as the moment of inertia of the rigid body, that is clamped, rigid body, okay, that is clamped to the wire. Okay, and C is the, you already used the C earlier. What does C stands for? C stands for the couple per unit twist. It stands for the couple per unit twist. Okay, so if you know this, you can calculate the time period. Now look here, I have used a regular body. Okay, so this is the case of a torsional pendulum. Now there are many applications of the torsional pendulum. That is, we can calculate. Okay, we can calculate the moment of inertia. Application is to calculate the moment of inertia, mi, of irregular body. That is one. And the second one is to calculate the modulus of rigidity of the wire. Modulus of rigidity of the wire, of a material or the wire. Okay, so these are the applications of the torsion pendulum. This experiment is there in the lab. Okay, when you come to college, we will do this experiment. Okay, So we'll use the same idea and we will do it. So with this, we are going to end up the theoretical concepts of the torsion oscillations and the elasticity. Let's go for the problematic part. Okay, let us take the problem. Okay, okay, if you have not taken, don't worry, I will share the screen. Okay, notes for you. Take down the problem. Which is the next class, students?
EGDL, sir.
Is it to have they planned? Share agate notes illada idನ್ನ timings.
No, sir.
ಆಯ್ತಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಡೆಯಕತ್ತಾವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇವಲ್ಲ what classes are they going on? Okay, very good, very good. Go for the solution.
EGDL plan ಆಗೈತೆ sir.
ಆಗೈತಲ್ಲ very good. Okay, ಹಂಗಂತ ನಾನು ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ತೋರಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿ calculate the torque required. Now torque ಅಂದ್ರು ಒಂದ movement of force ಅಂದ್ರು ಒಂದ twisting couple ಅಂದ್ರು ಒಂದ all mean the same. Calculate the torque required to twist the wire of length 1.5 meter. Okay, 1.5 meter whose radius is 0.0425 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters through an angle of pi by 45 radians. If the value of rigidity of the modulus is 8.3 into 10 to the power of 10 Newton per meter square. Just look at the problem, what they have given. Okay, so I have a wire. So this is a wire I have. Okay, which is fixed at the one end. So this is the wire which is circular in shape. Okay, so this is fixed at one end. Calculate the torque that is produced. So here I have having a circular wire. So this is circular wire. Okay, got it. So here I have applied a force. So this is the axis of the wire. Okay, I have applied the force like this. I have applied the force F and I am going to twist the wire. Okay, so once I twist the wire, okay, there is a twisting angle. How much is the twisting angle? It's given here. Twisting angle is pi by 45 radian. So when I apply this much of force, okay, I am getting the twisting of this. Or when I am applying this much of couple, certain couple, I am getting this much of the twisting. So how much is the twisting you have to calculate? Okay, so twisting couple are the torque or the moment of force. So first write the information whatever you have. I have the length. Okay, what is the length of the wire? Okay, what is the length? Length is L. What is the length? Length is L. Length equal to 1.5 meters. You write the length solution that is given. Length L equal to 1.5 meters. Radius of the wire. So this is circular wire. Keep in mind it is having a certain radius R. Okay, R. Radius R equal to 0.0425 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Okay, when you apply a force or a couple to twist it, there is a twisting of the couple. Therefore, there is a twisting angle. Twisting angle theta. How much it is? Pi by 45 radians. Theta equal to pi divided by 45 radians. Okay, if the value of rigidity of modulus of rigidity they are given, okay, neta. So modulus of rigidity, it is nothing but neta. So modulus of rigidity neta is given by 8.3 into 10 to the power of 10 Newton per meter square. So with this information, calculate the torque. Torque, or it is also called as twisting couple, or it is called as the moment of force. Moment of force. Okay, all mean the same, therefore it is given by tau. So last class ದಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ calculate ಮಾಡಿವಿ, ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ. So if I had done that, if you remember this equation, tau ಎಲ್ಲೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೈತೆ twisting couple illaiತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, twisting couple. This is the equation number 8. Okay, total couple required for the twisting the cylinder with radius r is equal to couple, twisting couple ಅಥವಾ twisting couple ಅಥವಾ torque ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಒಂದ. Okay, so therefore here this is given by tau equal to pi neta theta r raised to 4 divided by 2l. This is the formula that you have to consider. Okay, so remember this formula, couple or twisting couple or torque athwa movement of force, all mean the same. So go to the problem and write the formula. So therefore the first one, tau equal to, okay, you have to evaluate tau. So therefore what is the tau you have to evaluate? So we know that tau, torque, or it's also called as twisting couple. Okay, tau is equal to, what is the formula? Formula is equal to, what is the formula? Pi neta r raised to 4 divided by 2l into theta. If I'm not wrong, okay, this is the formula what you have, pi neta r raised to 4 divided by 2l into theta. Now you substitute all the values are given to you. So therefore tau is equal to pi, neta is given 8.3 into 10 to the power of 10 into r, radius I have taken this as small r, just make it small, capital R into r raised to 4, r is 0.0425 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. This is whole raised to 4. Okay, 0.0. Ha, here.
Length L equal to 1.5.
Length here, then length 1.5 meters ಐತಿ. R ಅಂತಂದ್ರ 0.4 ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟದ? R ಅಂತಂದ್ರ 0.0425. 0.425 into 10 to the power of minus 2 whole raised to 4 divided by 2 into length ಎಷ್ಟೈತ್ರಿ? 1.5 meters ಅದ, into theta ಎಷ್ಟದ ಇದು? So this is the case. Okay, into theta ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ pi by 45. So evaluate ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರ ಉತ್ತರ ಹೇಳಿ. So should be able to do it. So I will write the answer if you are not able to do it. Anybody can give the answer how much it is. Now if you do one thing, you evaluate this part first. Then evaluate part. Okay, so if I evaluate this, I get the value for tau equal to, I get the value of tau, I have done it. So it is 2.83 into 835 into
10 raised to minus 7, sir.
Minus 7 or minus 3, check it.
Minus 7, sir.
Check ಮಾಡಿ, minus 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, check ಮಾಡಿ. Minus 3 into pi by
3 into 10 raised to
minus 7 na?
3, sir. Minus 3, correct, sir.
Okay, ಆಯ್ತು. So ನಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪು ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. We also go wrong, that we are not God, we are also human being like you, we may go wrong. So this is the value you get. And if I rewrite the equation, if you calculate this using the calculator, that comes to be tau equal to 1.97 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Newton meter. 7. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ? This is the twisting couple. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾ? 1.97 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Newton meter. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ couple ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ C is equal to force into perpendicular distance ಇದೆ ಹೌದಾ ಇದರದ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಇರ್ತದ and distance is the meter unit, therefore you get the unit as Newton meter. I think I have discussed this one many times. Okay, so go for the next problem. I think we shall go for directly problem number 4. ಇದು calculate ಇದ್ರ ಮಾಡಿ same ಅದ calculate the calculate the twisting couple, same thing. They have asked the calculation of twisting couple. Calculate the twisting couple. I have a twisting couple or torque. Okay, this is given by 2. Both mean the same, torque or twisting couple on a cylindrical rod of length 1.5 meter. So there is a cylindrical rod. So the same thing what you have done I have the last time. So this is a cylindrical rod. Okay, so this one end is fixed. Okay, and I have the other end. Calculate the twisting couple on a solid cylindrical rod 1.5 meter and radius 80 mm. What is the radius that is given? They have not given you the radius, they are not diameter, they have given you the radius r. Okay, so what is the radius r? Radius r is 80 mm. Length is 1.5 meter. When it is twisted through an angle of 60 degrees, oh sorry, 0.6, not 60, it is 0.6 degrees. Okay, so I have the radius now. I can show this also here. I can show the radius of the wire. So this is the axis of the wire. So this will give you the radius r. Okay, so this is the radius r. Now you can easily make it out. R is the radius. Okay, so what is the length? Length also they have given you. How much is the length now? Length of the wire is 1.5 meters. Okay, so length of the wire, first you write the length 1.5 meter. Radius of the wire radius, radius of the wire r is equal to 80 mm. Mm means millimeter. You have to convert this into first in standard unit and write it. Now for this I am applying a force couple. This is the direction of the couple. Let us assume this is the direction of the couple, F and F. Okay, F, A and F. It is twisting. So how much is twisting? So if I take the line, okay, if I take a line here on this, okay, it gets twisted by the force, by the couple. Twist. How do I load it? Ega A B ididdu. So this is A, this is B. It has shifted to B dash. A B dash. There is some twisting that is taking place. Okay. So illi agtade twisting angle illi bartadada. So if I take this as the axis, okay. Okay. If I take this as the axis here, illi e angle theta. So this is the theta. So theta is given through an angle of theta, that's called as twisting angle. Okay, so this is theta. How much is theta? Theta is 0.6 degrees. Keep in mind it is not in terms of radians. Okay, so to calculate this you have to find the torque that you have applied. What is the twisting couple or the torque? So twisting couple are the torque. Both mean the same. Keep in mind. So therefore, I can write the torque. Before that, they have given you the modulus of rigidity of the wire. So of the material that we are using. So modulus of rigidity. It is neta. That is equal to how much it is? Modulus of rigidity is 93 into 10 to the power of 9 Newton per meters. So with this information, calculate the two. Now here, this theta is in terms of degrees. You have to convert it into radians first. Okay, therefore we know that the twisting couple. We know the first twisting couple are torque. Okay, both mean the same. It is given by the formula. What is the formula? Pi neta r raised to 4 divided by 2l into theta. Okay. Now they have asked to calculate this. I should know all these values. All the values are given, but theta is in terms of degree. Therefore, I can write theta is equal to 0.6 degrees. You have to convert it into radians. So to convert it into radians, no here. So therefore, it is 0.6 divide into pi by 180. If you convert, if you use this pi by 180 degrees, then you get it as in terms of radians. You get it in terms of radians. Okay. Whatever the angle you have in terms of degrees, you multiply by pi by 180 degrees. That will give you in terms of radians. If I do the evaluation of this, okay, this will give you the value of 0.0104 radians. This is the value of the theta in terms of radians. So use this and calculate it. Therefore, theta is equal to, okay, what is pi? Pi is constant as it is, into neta. Neta is 93 into 10 to the power of 9 into r raised to 4, 80 mm. So 80 into 10 to the power of minus 3 whole raised to 4 into, oh sorry, divided by 2l. L is how much? 1.5 meters. Okay. Into theta. Theta is 0.0104 radians. Okay. Okay. Just for your reference. Okay. Okay, so if you calculate the tau, that is tau, if you do the calculation, okay, so anybody have done this calculation? Anybody has done the calculation?
4.13, sir.
I'll check it just a minute. I have not done this. 3.9 just pi 3.98 into 10 to the power of 6 into 0.0104. How much it is? 4.13 into 10 to the power of 3 or minus 3?
Minus 3, sir.
Okay, let's check it. So once again, I will do it for you. Just a minute. So pi, first one is pi. Okay. Pi into 93 into 10 to the power of 9. Okay. Into, you have 80 mm, no? So 80 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Just a minute. Minus 3 whole raised to 4. Okay, close the bracket. Okay, pi into 93 into 10 to the power of 9 into r raised to 4. So this is r is 80 mm, 80 into 10 to the power of minus 3 whole raised to 4. Okay. Divided by 2 into 1.5. So the, yes, 3.98. So the first value, if you calculate it, okay, this part, I have done the calculation for this part. Okay, anybody have done the calculation for this part? That comes to be 3.98. Yes, what is the value? 3.98 into 10 to the power of 6. Okay, as it is into 0.0104. Okay, multiply this with the 0.04. Okay, if I do the calculation, it is okay, 41 into r, I can write as tau is equal to 4.1 or 41 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton meter. Okay, r I can write as 4.1 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton meter. This is the value of tau. Okay, got it? Clear? Go for the next one. I think actually it is somewhere not getting, it's not comfortable. I'm not feeling that it is the right problem, because the radius is more here. Okay, so it is 80 mm. So usually, okay, let it be. But I'm not sure that this is the right answer. But data, I think it's missing. Okay, data is missing. Okay, let it be. Here it's twisting angle is very, very small, 0.6. Okay, it's okay. Fine, no issues. Okay. Go for the next one. Take down this one. Calculate the angular twist. Now in the first problem, we have calculated the toe. Then go for the second one. Calculate the angular twist of a wire of length 0.3 meter and radius 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. When a torque of 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Newton. Now look at this. This is minus 4. Therefore, I'm not able to get the right answer. If I'm not believing that it is the right answer, is applied. Calculate the angular twist. So what is this problem? Okay, let us go for this. Okay, I have a wire. Okay. Okay. So this is a wire which is the form of a cylindrical wire. Okay, calculate the angular twist. Okay, a cylindrical wire is there like this. Okay, of length 0.3 meters. Okay, this is the axis. Okay, this is the axis of the wire. Now it is twisted. What is the length? Length. Okay, length is 0.3 meters. What is the radius? Radius also given. This is the radius r. Radius r is 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. Okay. When a torque of, they have applied a force and they have created a torque. So this is the torque that you have applied. Okay. Fa is given, is the applied force. Therefore, there is a torque that is produced. Calculate the angular twist. How much is the twist that has happened that you have to calculate? For example, I have the wire here. Okay. Okay, I have applied the couple. So once I applied the couple, this is A, this is B. Okay. Once I apply the couple, okay, there is a twisting of the wire. So the wire gets twisted and it is going to take this position from A to B. Okay, this is the case. So now it is twisting. So this is A, B dash. Okay. Now how much is the twisting angle? So if I take this as the center of this layer, then this angle that you produced, okay, is called as the twisting angle. Okay, this is theta. How much is the theta? They have asked. Just twist agutta ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು force ಹಾಕಿದ್ರ force ಬದಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲೇ couple ಕೊಟ್ರ. So first you write the information. What is the length? Length of the wire. Length of the wire. Length is 0.3 meters. Radius of the wire r. Radius capital R, that is equal to 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. Torque that is produced or applied are the twisting couple. Twisting couple are the torque. Okay. So this is toe equal to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Newton meter. This is the value. Okay. Is applied. Calculate given the rigidity of the material. Modulus of rigidity or rigidity modulus mean the same. So modulus of rigidity. Modulus of rigidity. Neta, that is given by 8 into 10 to the power of 10 Newton per meter square. Okay. With this information, calculate theta. So first you know that twisting couple, we know that. Twisting couple are torque. Okay, toe is equal to, okay, pi neta r raised to 4 divided by 2l into theta. So this is the formula. Okay, 2L into theta. Okay. Now they have asked for this angle. Okay, twisting angle. How much is that twisting angle for a certain force? That is the case. Therefore, rearrange it for twisting angle theta. Therefore, twisting angle is equal to theta. You rearrange it. That is 2 into 2L, or you can directly write as 2L into 2 divided by pi neta r raised to 4. Rearranging 2L into 2 divided by, okay, pi divided by r raised to 4 into neta. Sorry, neta, okay, yes, right. So calculate that value of theta. Okay, so 2 is there, theta is equal to, I have rearranged it properly, no, 2L into 2 divided by pi neta r raised to 4, right. So therefore that is equal to, theta is equal to, twisting angle is equal to 2 into length is how much? Length is 0.3 meters. Okay, got it. Then tau is how much? Tau is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Newton meter divided by pi as it is neta. Pi as it is neta, you have to calculate it. Okay. Okay. Pi as it is neta. Neta they have given, yes, 8 into, this is 8 r raised to 4. So neta I have to write. What is neta? Neta is 8. 8 into 10 to the power of 10, and neta is given, and r raised to 4. What is r raised to 4? R is here. That is 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So okay, so 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 whole raised to 4. Okay, whole raised to 4. Okay, so if you do the evaluation for this, anybody can give the answer for theta. 2 into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by into 0.3. Okay, what is the answer?
1.25.
Yes, Partitri? Hello?
0.74, sir.
It is giving you 0.07. Just a minute. How much I have done? Okay, 0.073 or 74. Yes, it is 0.0749. I got it as 0.0749. 0.0749. It's almost equal to 0.75. 0.0749. R theta is almost equal to 0.075. So this is the twisting that has taken 0.75. Okay, radians. Okay, you have to. Now the twisting they have given in terms of radians. Okay, keep in mind, always represents the angle in terms of radians only. Okay, this is the third one. So let us go for the next problem. Okay, have you taken down this, students? Okay, fine. 3 is over. It's second or third? Problem number 2. Okay, so let us go for the third. This is very lengthy. I think it's readable, not readable. So I'm not advising that one. Go for this one. A wire of length 2 meter and radius 2 mm is fixed to the center of the wheel. Okay, a torque is of magnitude 0.039 meter is applied to twist the wire. Find the modulus of the rigidity of the wire if the angular twist is 0.038 radians. Note 0.038. Okay, got it. 0.038 radians. So I have understand the problem first. What you have to do? Okay, I have a wire of length. What is the wire? Wire is in the shape of a circular cylinder. So I have a okay. So I'll not show this one. Okay, let it be. Okay. Now this end is fixed. Now I am applying the torque. So here this is the axis of the circle. It will be somewhere here. This is the axis of a cylinder. Okay. A wire of length. What is the wire length? It is 2 meters. This is the wire of length. 2 meters. Okay. And radius. What is the radius? Radius is given here. This is the radius R. Radius R is equal to 2 millimeter. 2 mm is fixed at the center of the wheel. Okay. It is fixed at a center of a wheel. Okay. Like this. Okay. A torque of magnitude 0.39 Newton meter. Okay, so a wheel is fixed here. Okay, like this. This is a wheel, and a torque is applied. So this is a wheel I have. Okay, a torque is applied to this wheel like this. This is a force. Okay, so this is the direction of the force, anti-clockwise. Okay, we are applying a couple in an anti-clockwise. What is the force that we have applied? Torque we have applied. This is the torque. So what is the modulus of rigidity of the wire? So this wire has certain characteristics. Modulus of rigidity, it is how much? Now here there is a twisting of the wire. How much is the twisting? If I take this as a reference mark here. Okay. So this is AB. Actually, the reference line is AB is here. After applying the force, it gets twisted. So this is a twisting that has taken place. Okay, so from AB it has gone to AB dash. Okay, it has gone to AB dash. Okay. Got it. So this is the direction. So what is the twisting angle? Twisting angle is also given. I think I have told it many times. It's here. Now it's clear. So only by practice now I am getting a right diagram. So this is theta. So theta is also given. Theta is also given. How much is theta? It is 0.038 radians. So by applying a couple, okay, I have twisted the wire. This is a wheel. Okay, I have applied it to a wheel. So a wheel is hanged to it, and force is applied to the wheel. So it gets twisted with an angle theta. This is the angle. So how much is the, what is the modulus of rigidity of the wire? So there is a relation for the twisting couple. So first you write the equation or solution. So length of the wire they have given. Length is equal to 2 meters. Radius of the wire. Radius is also given R. That is equal to 2 mm. Mm means 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. Okay. Is applied to twist the wire. Find the modulus of rigidity. So modulus of rigidity you have to find. Okay. If the value of, if the angular twist, theta is 0.038 radians. Okay. So this much is the radians. So evaluate the modulus of rigidity. Now we know that twisting couple is given. We know that the twisting couple are torque, are the moment of force. The moment of force. Okay. All mean the same. Toe. You know that toe is given by. Okay. We know. So therefore toe equal to, what is the formula? Pi neta r raised to 4 divided by 2L into theta. Okay. So rearrange it for neta. That's all. I want this neta. Rearrange it and get the answer. Therefore, okay. So therefore neta, if I rearrange it, neta modulus of rigidity. Therefore, modulus of rigidity. Okay, neta. It is equal to 2 into 2L divided by pi r raised to 4 into theta. Simple. Okay, you get the answer and write the value of that answer. Just but note. So tau is n neta is equal to tau is given. Okay, modulus that couple is also given. No, I have not mentioned it here. It is given here, twisting couple. This is the case. You can look here, torque of magnitude. Therefore, torque is given, or twisting couple. Both mean the same. Okay, twisting couple, that is equal to tau 0.039 Newton meter. Okay, so I have not given it here, so just take it down. So 0.0 neta equal to 0.0 neta, tau value 0.039. Okay, into 2 as it is. Length is how much? What is the length of the wire? Length of the wire is 2 meters. Okay, right. Whole divided by 2 into 2.0239, right? Pi divided by, okay, r raised to 4. What is r? Radius. It is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. It is because 2 mm it is, okay, into theta. It is theta is 0.038 radians. Okay, if you do this calculation, that will give you 8.16 into 10 to the power of 10. Anybody have done the calculation? Hello. Okay, this is the modulus of rigidity. Students, are you there?
Yes, sir.
ಯಾರ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, right? So this is the value. Correct ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಆಯ್ತು. So I shall stop here itself. In the next class, we shall start the new module on Monday. Okay, module number 3, optical fibers, very simple one. And after that, we'll go for the electromagnetics and wave propagation. Okay, so I shall stop here itself. So if you have any doubts, you can kindly contact me at at your time of convenience. Okay, so if I am free, I'll be going to pick up the call. Otherwise, you have to wait for some time. Okay, so thank you. Attend the next class. Thank you for your time.